One of the great imams of this ummah, Imam Ibn Atta'illah as-Sakandari, he mentioned something amazing. He said, don't wait for Allah to put you in another condition, another situation, before you do what you have to do. You want to live, pray. You want to pray 5 times a day. Says, you know, I'm busy working these. No, I don't have time to pray. When I retire, I'll have a lot of time. I'll go and live in the masjid. I'll pray all day. 5 times? No, 25 times. I'll pray sunnah, nafil, tahajjud, everything for when I retire. Now I'm busy after work. The Imam tells us something important. Don't wait for Allah to put you in another situation before you worship Him, before you stay close to Him. Because He says, wherever you are now, haythuma kunta, wherever you are now, it is Allah that placed you there. Whatever you're doing in your life, it is Allah that placed you there. Whatever whoever we are now, however we are now, we're working, we're this, we're father, we're mother, we're daughter, son, student, whatever we are in life, it is Allah that placed us there. Therefore, worship Him now. Don't wait for another situation. I usually tell our students, because you know they often say this, that they're busy with studies, and later on they'll get more involved in Islam. I told them, it's not going to get better. Sorry to disappoint you. It's not going to get any better, less busy in your life. You're busy now with your studies in middle school. Then when you go to high school, it's more busy for you. You finish high school, you go to college, university, it's more busy. You finish from university, you get a job, it's more busy. You get married, children, more busy. It's not going to get better. Deal with the situation you face now. Be with Allah. Be with Allah. We have to be mindful about this. Be with Allah.